Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, with the release of Wonder Woman 1984, I thought I'd share with you guys our home screen setup for the Amazonian goddess herself, Wonder Woman. This is going to be another one in my series on how to customize your home screen like a pro. A series where I show you how you can easily and quickly get these stunning minimalistic setups on your Android phones. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So here she is, the first of the DC Trinity for the channel, Wonder Woman. This setup will be running Nova Launcher using KWGT widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge-to-edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. And to get this spacious icon layout, make sure to head to Nova's home screen settings and change the grid size to 7 across and 12 down. And to really clean up your home screen, I highly recommend you turn off icon labels, increase your icon size, as well as disabling your home screen dock. Now that we have that out the way, the icon pack that we're using in this setup to match the gold of Wonder Woman is the Gold Leaf Pack. Just simply head to Nova's look and feel section and set the pack as your system icons. And before we go any further, make sure you grab this unique wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. And remember, if you have any wallpaper suggestions of your own, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Next up, these awesome KWGT widgets, all of which have been splashed with the golden colors of Wonder Woman. So let's start things off with that bold time indicator at the bottom of the screen, number 16, courtesy of the watermelon pack. Just simply load it to your home screen, then resize and reposition it. For a quick guide on KWGT manipulation, make sure you check out the video in the top right corner. And once you're happy with the positioning, let's apply our golden color. For this, outside of all of the different groups of the widget, we're going to head into the global tab. Now using the plus button, we're going to add in a new color, which for this example, I'm going to name gold. Now, just simply set the color to something a bit more suited for the setup. The color code that I used is on screen now. And once done, let's apply this color to the widget items. Now with this widget, each of its different elements are actually organized within different overlay groups. So we need to head into all of the different shapes and the text item, and using their paint tabs, change the color to use our global color instead. Just simply follow along as I'm showing on screen, applying our global color to every single item within the widget, including the text item indicating the time. Now this process will take some time, but just bear in mind, once you do have it set up, by simply changing the global color, you'll be updating the colors for all of the items within the widget. And once you're done with all of the changes, remember to hit save. Next up, this tribal widget indicating the date is number 152 from the outline pack. And just like the first widget, simply load it to your home screen and adjust its size. And with this widget, we're once again going to apply that same golden color. So just like the previous setup, let's head into the global tab and add in our color code. Now with this widget, we're going to apply the global color to all of those yellow items. To do so, make sure to apply the global color to all of the items within both of these overlay groups. But bear in mind that both groups look exactly the same, so make sure you keep a track of which ones you've done. Now the process is exactly the same as in the first widget, so let's skip ahead to that awesome battery widget. Now this battery indicator is super simple, but it really helps in pulling the whole setup together. Just simply load in a new KWGT layout to your home screen, then open up a new project. Here, we're going to start by adding in a new text item, which we're going to edit to display the letter W. Just simply follow along as I'm showing on screen. Next, head into the font settings and apply the font Roboto Slab Bold. And once you're happy, let's head back and add in a new progress item. By default, this is set up to indicate your battery level. So now, we want to adjust the progress item size and height to perfectly overlap the text item. Next, make sure to head to the color tab and change the filter to multiply. And before we forget, make sure to head back into the text item and apply our gold color. And wrapping up this setup, we're using Hex Installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with the colors of the theme splashed across the whole system, including the notification panel. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app OneShade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.